Hi everyone, welcome to I Make Stuff, and this week what we're going to be doing is making a skin for my Tello drone. There aren't any skins out in the market yet, and I also really wanted to have it match my Mavic. What I'm going to do is cut a Targaryen sigil, because Game of Thrones, for the Tello, as well as a black skin to cover the top of the drone. Because there aren't any skins out yet for the Tello, I had to try to make my own template. At first, I tried using masking tape and masking the top of the drone off, and I had a pretty close template, and when I had scanned this into my computer, it just wasn't coming out. I tried several iterations actually of my template, as you can see over here, and I just couldn't get the sizing correct. So I went online and I did a little Google search, and I found a Chinese company who was selling through, I think, AliExpress or Alibaba skins for the drone. I didn't like the skins that they had. I was really hoping for a carbon fiber, but they actually had a template on their listing. So what I did was I used my Silhouette Cameo Studio software and I traced it, and I'm going to go over how I did that, but I used the software to trace it, and I was able to get this one down here. So these are the new templates. The problem with tracing it from that photo was I didn't have the actual sizing, so I had to cut it several times to get the sizing right. So I have one here already cut out. So the materials that I'm using today is Oracal 651 vinyl in black, as well as 651 in red. I had already cut my decals out, but what I'm going to do now is jump over to Silhouette Studio just to show you guys how I trace the template as well as the sigil. Here we are in Silhouette Studio. I have Business Edition, but you can still do the same things in the free version of the software. I have my two photos that I wanted, so this is the template that I was talking to you about earlier, and I have the Targaryen sigil right here on the side. I am going to zoom in a little bit just so that you guys can see. From here, I'm going to use the trace tool. So I'm going to open up the trace panel on the right hand side. I'm going to hit the select trace, and then I am going to select the template first. Here you can see that I need to push up the threshold. So I'm going to keep going until I get a good trace of the template. I'm going to hit trace. And if I move the photo away, you can see how there is the template. I'm going to right click, release compound path, just move out the outline, and all this stuff I'm going to delete because we don't need that. So we have our template done, and now we're going to have to trace our sigil. So what I'm going to do is do the same thing, highlight, and you can see by default it already has a good trace, so I'm just going to leave that as is. The photo away, here you go, here are my dragons. So in my measurements, after trying several times to get the right sizing, I have found that the template should be about 2.5 inches wide. So if I, let's see, rotate this, I want this to be 2.5 inches. So I'm going to just type in 2.5 inches here, and it will resize the whole thing to fit. As you can see here right now, my Targaryen sigil is a little bit too big, so what I'm going to do is also resize this. If you measure the top of the plate for the drone, it is actually about 1 inch wide, so I'm going to want this to be a little less than 1 inch. So I'm going to do 0.95. And here we go, so this should fit right on top. From here, all we have to do is feed the vinyl right into the Cameo and cut him out and apply it. So let's jump back over to the table. Now that we have our designs cut out, I'm going to apply the black, and then I'm going to use my transfer tape to apply the dragon sigil. So I'm going to just peel it off of the backing. and then just apply it right onto the top of the drone. Now that I have my black on top, I'm going to use my tape, cut off a little bit of it, so that I can transfer the design onto the tape. Then use tape to pick up my design. I'm going to press down and then pick it up. Comes right off the backing. I'm going to now try to center this as much as I can. And there you go. So now I have my custom skin for my Tello drone. If you're interested in this template, what I can do is I can include the template down below for those who don't have a Cameo as well as those who do. So I'm going to size it and I'm going to have it available in a PDF format. So here is my Tello drone now with its bigger brother. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys will actually like using the template. I'm going to include it down below, as I mentioned before, in the description, so I'll have a PDF available. If you have a die cutter, I will have the SVG available for you, so it doesn't matter if you have a Silhouette Cameo or a Cricut. I want to thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos with the Ryze Tello.